how to create your own ideas from scratch. Honestly, um, I really believe it's all about you thinking outside of the box as far as looking at existing things that someone else probably has made, and maybe you came up with an idea to make it better. Or you might be doing a specific job where if you create a piece of equipment or some type of brace or whatnot, it might can make the job better. Just like my welding skid that I'm showing you here. um, I actually designed this for a need that I needed. I was trying to be organized and wanted to be able to utilize my truck on my downtime and be able to take my equipment off and still have everything on it that I need to use. So I come up with a structural welding skid that actually end up helping me and end up helping others too. So it was like a two-in-one, but I didn't design it to sell it. I designed it to actually to help me with my need. And then after I built it and other people seen it and they was like, man, you need to get some blueprints. You need to come up with a design for this, man. This is a neat idea. It's simple. It's not too much. It's affordable. It works. I mean, it's easy to maintain. And so that's pretty much how you do it, man. You just got to think outside the box and always look at things like a child. To me, honestly, a child's imagination is great. You got those kids that can sit down and they can play in the dirt with a rock and a green man all day and come up with all type of ideas and adventures. Or you got those kids that play with Legos and like to build things. I mean, those are our engineers and architects and designers, I mean, as a young age. So all you have to do is literally go back to that. Go back to what you like to do from a child. Did you like building things? You like making things? I like to using my hands and making things and building things and putting bikes together and making go-karts and mopeds and you know what I mean? Like, I enjoyed doing that as a child. And now I'm just getting the opportunity to really start focusing more on the needs of others. Because honestly, if you can look at a need of another person or another company, maybe you didn't went over there and you seen that they got a need. Hey, if you can supply or fix that need with some type of product that you came up with, there you go. That's a business. That's a source of income. So you just have to think outside the box. And with this one, actually, this is when I make them. I always, if I sell one, I always make two. I buy enough material to make two, so that way I always have another one for standby. So I think that's a good idea, for those who, before you get your big shop going, you sell one, keep one. You sell two, make two. You know what I mean? So that way you can always be ready, and then you can stay ahead of the game. So I would just say, man, invest in your craft, take your time, and just, don't. I think if you try to force it, it'll be hard to come to you. So just let it come natural. You know what I mean? Just work on different ideas, and when something hits you, it hits you. Like, literally, I got an idea the other day that I want to start doing. I need to go talk to a guy because I just noticed a need the other day, and it might be a need that I can really help a lot of different companies with. So I want to see if I can build one for him first and just tell him, hey, you buy the material, I'll build it for free, and let me advertise it, and I give it to you. You know what I mean? Sometimes that's what you got to do, because at the end of the day, you are the creator. As long as you can create, you're going to be okay. All gone.